Hey everybody. Hey all you beautiful people out there. It's Denise with Lollipop Love. And if you watched anything that I've put out there, you'll know that I had ordered this refurbished off of Macari because I wanted an Sewn Sparrow QE, but I didn't want to have to pay $869 for a new one. So I found, I believe it's Top Stitch Sewing on Macari, and they sell refurbished items. This dog, I tell you what, anyway, Poppy. So, they also have an eBay page or store, an eBay store that's the same thing, and they sell refurbished. So it was priced at $349, and I put in a bid on Macari for $297. They accepted it, and it was supposed to get here Saturday, but I think with all the weather, because it was coming from Missouri and all the bad weather we've having, I think that's why it's delayed. The box is kind of, well, the box is, I don't know how bad you can tell. It's a tad beat up, which has me a little worried. We got dents over here. We got stuff over here. It's got me a little worried about opening it. But when I rattle it, I hear styrofoam, which makes me feel tons better, tons better, tons better. So, I told y'all I would open it for you and try to set it up against my Sewn 30, so you can tell the difference in the size, because that was always one of the things you can't really tell on a video what the size is, right? Oh, I got somebody retaped it up some more. It come FedEx, and I know we have problems when it goes through Olive Branch, Mississippi. I don't know why, but it gets held up there. But it said it's stuck in Kansas forever. Okay, so opening it, the first thing I have is the instruction manual. So this is refurbished, and it has the person's name over here. I'm not going to say the name. And it says date 11/27/2019, credit use. So maybe they purchased it. I don't know. Did they not like it? Did they trade it back in for a new one? I don't know. But so I have the whole manual. So that's great. Love it. First stitch. And then thank you. Lord have mercy. Thank you. Oh no. This is the look at that. This is the what it looks like open. Thank God it was in this. I'm not sure what happened here. I don't know. But it'll be okay. Okay, so on the top it's got that straight stitch plate that I was talking about, with the straight stitch plate. When you're piecing, your fabric don't go down in it like the other plate. So it has that. It has a foot right there. I don't know how I'm going to get this out of here. I'll tell you what. Put it down. Oh, it's heavy. Not really that heavy. Honestly. Well, there goes that. All right. So, there's my foot pedal. My foot pedal is right there. And let's see what this is. I think this is the cover. This is probably the cover. Yeah, it's just the sewing machine cover. I don't know if that's going to fit. Maybe it will. I don't know. We'll see. I'll put it right here. Okay, some things went under this. That is the knee lift. It comes with a knee lift. The stuff looks new. I don't see any. I mean, there's a bit right there. Well, I'm okay with stuff like that as long as it's functional. I mean, it looks very new. The foot plate looks new. This is, I wonder if they used it or they didn't like it or something was wrong with it. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's see if I can get this. All right, here she is. Her's a big girl. I'm so glad it came in these things right here. I'm so happy about that. The my embroidery machine that I bought that was used come in a box, but it wasn't in styrofoam or anything. Okay, so now I can tell now that it's used. I don't know if that's where they cleaned it. Let's see. It might be where they cleaned it. There's a little, no, that's not a scratch. It's just, I wonder if it's just where they cleaned it. The thing looks brand spanking new. I don't see any blemishes. It looks like they cleaned it, so maybe it was used. I mean, it says like new. It doesn't say that it's new at all. It says like new. So inside, this is where you put your, yeah, you can tell. Now I can tell right here, this looks, well, I don't know. I like this. I like this. This doesn't work like that on my Eversewn. You have either this way, and you can lift it up a little bit, and then you got to put it down, and then it has the one sticking up. But I mean, it looks new to me. Okay, do I have a plug? Does it come with it doesn't come with a plug? Oh no, please don't tell me you don't have a plug. Am I missing the plug-in? Is that what the problem is? There's no plug? Let's see. You have you have excess back here. That's your buttonhole foot. Okay, so I'm seriously missing a plug. Nope. Ha! Oh, give me a heart attack. And I got a machine I can't even turn on. That's my luck, but no. It is right here, and I'm going to plug it up. We're going to see if old girl works. Her name is going to be Jocelyn. And it has its, where it does stitches back here. And the needle stuck in it. Okay, let's check it out. It looks brand spanking new to me. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, so the tray doesn't come out like a, well, no, it does. Oh my gosh. So you got this little cute tray with your stuff in it. Let's see. Some of the things, that is no big deal. Let's see. So you've got this that come out, and I love how it's a little tray. Isn't that awesome? Look where your bobbins go. And then it has this instead of a, look at that. Oh my gosh. I've got needles, and then the other, a needle, a screwdriver, and a little cleaning brush. Oh my goodness. Well, what is this if it's a cleaning? Oh, look, it has a little thread ripper. Huh? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Needles, thread ripper. Okay, so down in here, that's the little hole that this fits into. So you can put things in there, and then you put this on top. I love that. Okay, now. All right, here we go. Will she turn on? Golly, she looks brand new. If this thing is so, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I hope it works. She works. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, she works. All right, needle up. Needle up. Is this needle up? No. Needle down. Needle up. Okay. The cutter's over there. This is the stitches that they tested. And some pretty stitches. Oh, it's got a bobbin already in there. It's a drop-in bobbin. Let's see. You got tack cut. This is where you move your needle. Oh, it moved. Ah, it moved. You've got tension, width link, tack and cut, which just means you're putting a little knot and then you're cutting it. That means you can go or start. We can't go right now because it's up. Slow, needle up, down, cut, fast or slow. And then I got to learn all this stuff over here. And then you have 70 stitches. Okay, so right here is what I was going to show you the difference. So let me see. Okay. The difference between this one and my ever sewn. The question is, how am I going to do this? All right, hold on one second. Okay, I'm going to try my best to see how to do this. All right, so this is the throat space on my Sparrow 30S. Going over, oh my goodness. To the throat space and the difference in the sizes of these machines. I'm trying to figure out how to show you the difference in the sizes. Well, right there you can tell. All right, let's go over, see this way. My cord got stuck. I'm backing her up. You can tell she's a way bigger machine. Way bigger. Okay, let's see this way. All right, let's see. See, you have a lot more space. I'm just trying to show you, figure out how to the difference in the sizes of these machines and the throat space. That's a good, you can really tell the difference right there. Let's see. I'm not to make y'all vomit. Oh, my table's all dusty over there. Move my Lexus. You can tell this way the width. I'm gonna have to clean now, ain't I? Up top. So yeah, she's a real lot bigger girl. Okay, hold on. So as you can see, there's a really big difference. Really big difference. And I am so excited to get this going and see how she runs. She's pretty now. She's a pretty girl. And if this thing works for a year, I hope it works longer than that. But if it works for a year, for what I paid for it, and it being $869 what they're going for now, and I paid $297, I can't beat that. Like, there's a little mark over here that looks like dirt, and right here, but there's no beating that. I've got so much more room right here. I can see scratches now on the right here in the throat space. So I do see scratches on there. But that's okay. She looks brand new to me. So tell me what y'all think. Are you scared to get her refurbished? Y'all are going to see me sewing on it. So you're going to know what problems I have. You're going to be able to know if it works or not as I go. She's not really that heavy. Actually, no. I think they said it's 23 pounds. She feels heavier. Then you can tell right here the difference in the size of the 30S versus the QE. Sparrow 30S versus QE. So, yeah. Y'all tell me what you think. Did I do good? I hope I did good. She turned on. That's a start. Look at that difference. It's a big difference, isn't it? Yeah. I got lots more room now. Which I've quilted on this. So I know this girl should be able to do it. So, y'all tell me what you think. Do you like my purchase? I'm so excited about my purchase. I can't wait to get going because she's got to go to the shop. Her tension's messed up. All right, ladies, gentlemen, everybody out there, y'all have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful evening. And I'll see you soon with a new setup. Okay, bye-bye.